Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to show you guys how I'm going to remove these rocks. It was requested on Instagram if I can do a video. She follows me on my YouTube, so she'll see it there. So this I got at Walmart on clearance for $9, and all you guys told me it was a good deal. I have removed rocks like these in the past in another arrangement, but not on one like this. But it should be the same. Remember, the roots are all the way down, so you're not going to hurt your plant, so you don't really have to worry about it. You can just start like this. I don't know if I'll be able to recycle these rocks, but we'll see. I am going to keep her in the original pot. I will I will be putting new soil in here though, just because I don't know how long it's been at Walmart. You usually see these quite frequently. I see them all the time at Walmart, so I don't know how often people are buying them. But as you can see, it's not difficult. You gotta start somewhere and just start wedging it out. I would go from the outside in like this. And try to go under, like, you know, a little bit under the soil. And look, already starting to come out in big pieces. See? That'll make it easier for you. There we go. So just go under it. See? Nobody cares that the soil came out with it. Look at that big chunk I just removed. You guys can see. There we go. That came out pretty good. Okay. So now I'm gonna look at the soil, but I need something to dump those rocks in. What am I gonna dump it in? Need something. Here, I'll just dump it in this tray. There we go. And I'll use this other tray. So when I'm pulling it out, most of the soil stays here. I'm gonna just loosen that up. And now let's try to pull it out. And there you go. And look, not a lot of roots. So I would say this is not planted that long ago. And now I can take this soil out and add new soil with more drainage in there, just to protect the plant, because where I live there's a lot of humidity, and the plant is in my greenhouse, and that also allows more humidity in here in my greenhouse because there's less airflow. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye guys.